Well, hi everyone.
Hello. Welcome to the channel. I'm George.
Hello folks, and welcome back to the channel. Well, hello again everybody. Hello and welcome back.
Welcome along to another video. In this one we're going to have a look at this robot.
Finally got it tuned in. Welcome back to Cody's Radio Workshop. So on the bench we've got a Roberts RFM3, which is the Rambler FM3. It's the third version of the Rambler, but with FM, which is bizarre, right? Because they call it the RFM, but on the FM switch it says VHF. Confusing, huh? Anyway, this one's come to me, bought on eBay. Parts are not working and it doesn't. So we're going to have a look and find out why and see if we can fix it. Might be something simple, might not be something simple, but the first thing that we need to do is get some power on it so we can find out where we stand. Just turned on the power supply. On the RFM3, just tip the radio upside down, put your finger in the hole, waiting for the comments down below. Turn it over to check the serial number out first. It is 29,549. Pop that on one side, take out the battery connector, and we're going to simulate with the bench power supply it having a battery connected. So the power supply, the bench power supply is on and energized, and if I select VHF, turn the volume down to start with, turn on, it's drawing 29 milliamps and nothing at all. So first thing I want to check is get a reasonable amount of volume on there. Speaker wire is disconnected. This could be the shortest YouTube fix video in the world. There, they're connected. Give them a wiggle and it's not that, it's still drawing 29 milliamps. So my next plan of attack, if I can find where I've put them, is to get my bench speaker and attach it to the speaker terminals, black to black and red to blue, obviously. Oh, and there we go. So we've got an audio output. But not from the speaker itself, only from the bench speaker. So we've got an open speaker. So this is going to be a really short video, but I still have to take this apart just to be able to get to the screws to remove the speaker and just have a look, see if it's something that can be fixed. I doubt it. I don't think I've ever really successfully fixed a speaker in one of these or a similar one. But yes, anyway, handle up, sharp tap down on either end, and lever out, and lever. It's a very filthy radio. I don't know whether you'll pick this up, but that's supposed to be shiny. Yeah, look, goo, crud, body stuff there. Pop it on one side, screw on either side on the wooden ends, remove those. There's one. There's the other one. Disconnect the speaker again, because that bad boy's coming out. Undo the aerial screw. And use a case pushing tool to free the beast. There we go. Oh, I did forget the jack socket on the side has to come off as well. Well, it's been a while. It's my first one this year. I've still been doing radios, but I've been doing my own thing with radios. I've been getting through quite a lot of them, and I've been trying to learn new tricks as well. I'm an old dog, but I've dabbled with the devil. I've dabbled with dabbles. Quite a modicum of success with that. I got a job lot of pure branded DAB radios that were for parts or not working. There were an awful lot of them, 37 in all, and I got 29 of them fully working. It was a new skill set, one that I didn't previously possess, and I'm still at the beginner stage, to be honest, even after doing that lot. But it is the work of the devil. But it's not impossible, is what I've learned. I've only taken all of this apart just because it needs a clean. What I really need is to get that case back and get the speaker out. It's a 4BA nut. It's not a 4BA nut. Oh, must be a 5BA nut then. It is a 5BA nut. Just inside there you can see there's an arm there, and there's an arm a bit further down. We'll see that one in a minute when I take that out. You don't have to take them all the way off, you just have to loosen them. Here we go, turn it all the way around, there's the other one. Get that out. Well, loosen that one off as well, and then the speaker should just wiggle free, like so. Now what I will do is bring in a bench meter. Look at that. Let's try not to get so many reflections on there. Oh, there's a reflection. Oh, apologies for that. And put it on the ohms range and measure the speaker. Nope. Overload. So there's nothing on the terminals themselves. There's nothing on the solder blobs. I'm just pushing down to see if there's any voice coil resistance on the speaker, and there isn't. So I've likely got a open voice coil, which is why this speaker is toast. So just leaving that one there for a moment and reaching over here into the drawer and right on the top, here's another one. Here's one I prepared earlier, but I didn't. And this one, that's reading 7 ohms. It's an 8 ohm speaker, but 7 ohms, yeah, perfectly fine. So that is the one that will be going in. I'll get rid of bench meter. Make sure I throw the right one away. In the bin, listen. There we go. And I'll get this one in. This will just slide under those arms. Alright, it won't slide under the arms, but we can work with that. Just going to loosen those off a little more. This one doesn't seem to want to go in. It is an identical speaker, but for whatever reason I'm just locating the arm there. Right, tighten. This is like a lesson in tightening your nuts up. That one's in. tighten this one up as well. Give it a spin first. Round and round we go. Where it stops, nobody knows. Right, so that's that in. Now I will be cleaning this up, but for the purposes of this video I'm just going to pretend for the moment, because that'll save me some time on the video. I'm just going to pretend that it's clean. Just use your imagination a bit. And pop this back into the case. There we go. Aerial screw. It was a bit of a trick, that, getting that aerial screw out with this big chunky screwdriver, but it just about did it. Other screwdrivers are available. Somebody did once say to me, "Is that your screwdriver?" You know, and I said, "Well, yeah." No, I've just borrowed it from the wife. She knows as much about using screwdrivers as I do about pushing hoovers around the house. God bless her. Yeah, that doesn't seem to want to sit nicely in there. Come on, you can do it. Come on, it's one take this without any editing. Cool. Well, only a little, right at the beginning. I'm going to get a different screwdriver. Shall we go for that one? There, got it lined up. She's in. Pop that in at the side. I could use the big one for that. Yeah, so if anybody's in any doubt, yes, it's my screwdriver. And that one into there. This has turned out to be the quickest of quick fixes, really. There's one. There's another one. Want that one? Right. I do still have to put the jack back into the box. That one. There we go. Right. We're almost there. We need to put this super clean handle back onto this spectacularly presented radio, like so. I will leave its bottom off. And get some power. Switch it off. Because it's not been aligned or anything, I'll give it its best shot and attach the workshop FM antenna. Right, we are powered on. Turn the volume down now. On. VHF. Nothing. Why is there nothing? Of course there's nothing. What haven't we done? We've just changed the speaker and we haven't connected it. I'm going to have a word with you lot in my office. Right, shall we try that again? Right, let's get that aerial attached.
I duly helped, only to find it was chewing gum. Love the show, says Helen.
I just took it away from the bench there just to prove that long wave works. It does work, so that's what that was stopping it working, was the speaker that's now in the bin. It doesn't sound particularly spectacular. It will benefit from a service, and I might just follow that up in a upcoming video. But for now, that's all from me. Thanks very much for watching. Do like and subscribe because it makes me smile. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.